ready to safeguard your Qlik Sense masterpiece. First, navigate to the Qlik Sense Hub, where all your applications reside. This is your central command for managing and accessing your Qlik Sense projects. Locate the specific application you want to save and hover over its tile. You'll notice 3 dots appear in the corner. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. In the drop-down menu, you'll find the export option. This is the key to saving your application as a QVF file. Click on export. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose a file name and location for your QVF file. Give your file a descriptive name that helps you easily identify it later. Select your desired save location, and then click the Save button. Qlik Sense will begin packaging your application into a single QVF file. A progress bar will appear, indicating the export status. This process might take a few moments, depending on the size and complexity of your application. Once the export is complete, you'll find your QVF file in the location you specified. This file contains everything needed to restore your application, including data connections, data model, visualizations, and settings. Now, remember this simple process, and you'll never lose your hard work in Qlik Sense again.